Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can chat with AIs on Messenger. It's super easy. Let's get started. Open up your Messenger app and whenever you logged into your account, you will come on the home page. And you have to do is click on main menu at the bottom right corner and you will comes in this section. You will see over here friend request, chat with AIs, create an AI. Click on chat with AIs and you will see over here a bunch of AIs over here that the people's created over here or like to share with public accounts. So you can see over here, you can simply click on anyone that you want to chat with them. You can simply chat it. As you can see, I want to chat with like IQ test over here, 2.1 million messages on this. So you can see over here, get ready to level up your brain power, followed by developer Sony, something like that. So as you can see over here, you can also chat with us this, and you can also ask them questions. There you can see on the top of this message with IQ test over here, you can see, you can simply click on that and you will see over here this will send it to this, and it will be automatically reply to you. And that's it. That's how you can chat with AIs on Messenger. It's super easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.